Well, I don't.
So if correctly, it takes about 10 minutes. Okay.
All right, Amanda, you're going first, right?
Okay. We're gonna go together. I promise you, I'm not gonna scare
We're
you.
together. We'll be fine.
Okay. You guys just like to see my reaction.
We do. It's fun. I mean, my reactions aren't much less embarrassing.
I think it's more mine because last time we did this, how loud did I scream? Pretty loud.
I think I had to beat, to be honest. Okay. Whoa!
Which door is it? Let's try this one.
Oh. Listen, yeah, I'll go in. I'll be brave.
It's not this door.
Not that one. Not that one. It must be. This happens to us at the Frank Store. Well, that's the scariest one of them all. This way. Ah! Jesus.
Oh, you gotta love that.
You all right, Amanda?
No, I think I
You got this. That's why I put you first and not me.
No, I think I might have almost pissed myself.
Oh, jeez. Ooh, an arcade. Okay, I'll go first. I'll do it. Doing good, Quentin?
Yep.
Good. I'm glad someone is. You put the chickens in front. Well, hello. Hey, it's not funny. Don't laugh.
Oh no! No, no!
I'm your maze. Uh-oh. This is spooky. I'm gonna go this way just to be different. Nope, nope, wrong way. No, right way, maybe.
One way to find out. Follow the red light. That's me.
Okay. I think we made it out of that. Oh, claustrophobic tunnel, claustrophobic tunnel. Oh no, it's so squishy. Okay, we made it out. Someone alive. What's over here?
Oh, God, which one is it for? The claustrophobic.
Holy
Whoa! Holy moly! That's scary. What's this way? That's a net. Is this anything? No, it's a dead end.
Decor.
Alright, we got Amanda and Quentin out front now, taking the full brunt of things! Yikes. Ah!
What the fuck?
I don't know.
I think I triggered our front again.
Okay. Ah! Okay, okay, you
Okay,
move
keep
first.
moving, keep moving.
What the?
Oh, it's just me. spinning tunnels. Oh.
Keep walking. Keep walking, please.
Keep walking, keep walking. We got this. Oh, this makes me so dizzy. Ah!
Watch the eyes follow you.
What the heck? I'm in a swimming pool. I'm in a
Whoa!
swimming pool. Hi. Hi.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That means they're made from here. Yeah,
Oh, I'm still dizzy from that tunnel.
Hi, donkey. Nice donkey.
What? Ah! The floor is moving! What? No! The floor is moving underneath us. That was not fun. Ugh. Okay, I think we made
They
it.
changed it a lot since I last went through here.
Huh? What?
They changed it a lot instead.
Ooh, we're in the jungle! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Baby, hold this. I need to go wash your mouth.
Okay.
You can't go pee here unless you already did. Ah! Holy moly! Ah!
No, guys, go to washroom first. Go to washroom first.
That was really good.
Amanda, we questionably survived a fright
I
walk.
don't think I fully survived. I need to go.
You might have lost a bit of life there. Oh gosh, that was great.
I made it out alive. Get live. Yeah, this one you're almost in. I mean, look, I think she's getting a little wet there.
Ah! Where